Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guy. In today's card video, I will show you how you can format your SD card on your GoPro. So make sure to stick with me till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might want to format your SD card if your GoPro is actually freezing and if your memory card is also full. In that case, what you have to do is, first of all, let me just go ahead and then turn on my GoPro right in this case. So once you basically turn on your GoPro, you can see this is how it is going to look like. So let me just go ahead and bring that a little bit closer for you in order to see it properly. So once you turn on your GoPro, what you want to do is, in order to format SD card, from the home page, you have to simply swipe from up to the bottom. So as you can see, just follow my steps. You need to simply swipe downwards and you'll see these kind of settings over here. And what you need to simply do is tap on this option which says preferences. So go ahead and tap on preferences and you'll be able to see all of these options as well. Now if you look closely, you have a bunch of these options just like an interface on any operating system. You have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll find this bottom option which says reset. So as you can see right over here at the very bottom, there is an option which says reset. Go ahead and tap on the reset button. Now, other than formatting and resetting your SD card, you also have other settings, such as you want to even reset your default settings. You can reset your camera tabs, or you can also factory erase or factory reset your GoPro in order to remove all of the connections and begin everything from the first. But if we want to format our SD card, which is in the case our memory card, I will tap on the option which says format SD card, and you can see it will ask you for a confirmation, delete all files and reformat your SD card. What you have to do is tap on this blue button which says format. So as you can see, it is going to take a while depending upon the data which are stored on your SD card. It says formatting, and after this process is complete, you would have successfully formatted your SD card. Now you can go ahead and see that we don't have any types of videos and photos on our SD card. This was the way on how you can format your SD card on GoPro. This also works for 7, 8 or any other models you have. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.